Do it yourself. Yeah! Hello mga cuties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! So, sa mga bago pa lang dito sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos! So, mga cuties, nakikita nyo naman dyan sa title, diba? Gagawa tayo ng DIY lip scrub. Yeah! Lip scrub mga cuties, gagawa tayo. So, pwede sa lahat tong lip scrub. Tong lip scrub na to ay ito ang benefits niya.
매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 네 심장은
Oh, diba nakita nyo? So, ngayon mga cuties, let's get started!
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your
diba? Do it yourself. Ayun, napakadali lang, diba mga cuties? Ano bang iniintay nyo? Gumawa na rin kayo para ma-moisturize yung ating lips. So mga cuties, hanggang dito na lamang yung video ko. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo at sana'y nakatulong din sa inyo. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Ingat kayo mga cuties. Malamal ko kayo. Bye-bye! Shoutout kay Manuel Alonso, Christian Marco Mariano, Crystal Montemayor, Cheris Maglambayan, Giro Sarmiento, Ali Valencia, Carey, Kisha May Gutierrez Manuntag, Ria Beltran Rio, Trixia May Candelario, Jesusa Eliosar Bambao, Rizalyn Bautista, Yamski Lumanlan, Raymark Lariva, Jeje V Force, Shawi G, Annie Maggie, Melvin Rivera, Eagle Ronquillo, Gerald Bambao, Ninong TV, Michael Cordova, Erica Mariano, Jush Gob Bernal, Jules Calma, Annie Maggie, Melvin Rivera, Eagle Ronquillo, Lysike TV, Welmore Paderog, Yunski Choi, Claire Alvarado, Adventure Wishlist, Marvin Malone, DP Ulate is Nortea Restitutusi, J.O. PH Red TV, Jan Renz Gamis, Ka Percy Pelayo, Renz Lugto.